Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle, guys. We got the lifestyle merch on. We're still waiting for more. 2121. Don't forget, guys, that stuff's coming. But today we're going to go ahead and check out an SRT. Now, I'm not saying I'm gonna buy one, but I might buy one in the future. So I'm gonna go ahead and check one out, take a test drive of it, you know, look around it, compare it to this one, and kind of give you guys the in between. I don't know if you could tell, but it's flurrying a little bit. It's a little snowy out. It's a little chilly, just a tad bit. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead over there. Once we get there, we're gonna meet up with the people who set it up for us, and we're gonna go ahead and check it out. So hopefully the car's sick, hopefully it's a good time, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. But for now, we gotta go get gas and get on our way, so let's go. All right, so we finally made it. Big shout out to Bak Toyota here. So if you guys need anything, make sure you guys come on by and visit them. Look, we got Supers, we'll check those out on the way. I believe I see it over there, maybe, that might be it. But yeah, the drive wasn't bad, so we're gonna go ahead and check this Jeep out. We got a mask up. We got the new lifestyle mask, so let me put that on and I'll show you guys what it looks like, and we'll go from there. All right, so here's the lifestyle mask. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's not bad at all. You can see. It's pretty nice. It's black. These are gonna be on sale on the website, 2121. Make sure you guys remember that. But we're gonna go ahead and get this set up and see what we can do with this car. Look at this. We got the Supras out front, boys. Maybe one day we'll buy a Supra and just absolutely slam it. We got the nice yellow. And then we got a red one over here. Check that out. There she is. Look at this. The full Brembos. Nothing like mine with the fake paint calipers. The nicer, way nicer wheels. So around, look at this. It looks like they have some kind of tint film on here already. I'm not feeling that. They need to get some better tint film. Look at that. Much nicer exhaust. Overall, it's way nicer than my Jeep. So it's way nicer than my Jeep. Let me pull this thing out. It's way nicer than my Jeep. Look at this thing. This thing is mean. It's got the gray color going on. It's a 2016. Obviously, they don't have any tinted windows or anything like that. But we're gonna hop in and go for a ride and see how it is, see if it's fun. Check it out and see if we want to, you know, maybe upgrade in the future. We got all our camera stuff ready. We got the nice scoops. But we're gonna go ahead and check it out, see how it is, and then hopefully it's some fun here for this test drive video. So the interior obviously has the real carbon fiber, which mine does not. Getting in here, oh, it feels different. Oh, it's slippery because it's got leather with the conditioning stuff on it. Pop the mask off now. We got the real red key because, as you know, mine is the fake red key. The screen is obviously different. It has the older Uconnect in it. It's not the newer one. Dash is nice. Red push start button, which I have in mine now, is if it's as good. Steering wheel is way more aggressive and bolstered. This feels crazy. And then down here you got sport, auto, snow, track, launch control. Oh no. So yeah, they're swinging all the way around. Like I said, it's got that. It's got the Harman Kardon stuff over here. I'm just checking things out today. So this car is for sale at Bak Toyota in North Attleboro, Massachusetts. So if you guys do want it, make sure you guys go ahead and let them know that I sent you. But we're gonna take this thing for a spin, see how it does, see how it is, and hopefully have a little bit of fun with it. I told him I was familiar with the area. I'm in fact not. So we're just gonna send her. No crime is gonna be committed here today. It's just in auto mode right now, so we'll just get a little feel for it, and then maybe we'll swap it into sport, maybe track. We'll see what's gonna happen. I'm pretty excited to see how it feels. Got the paddle shifters, maybe we'll pop it into that and try it, but we'll see. We gotta wait for all this traffic to go by, and we'll see. Oh my God, it feels like so different with like the bolstering and stuff and the paddles. Can't even tell what my speed is on this. Where's the damn speedo? I'm speeding probably and I don't even know. Oh, right there, 50, okay. I don't know what the speed is. I'm not following the law, boys. We're not. Do we got a map here so we can see where we are? Get the map on the nav so we can see where we're going. We want somewhere that we can just get on in a little bit with no traffic around. We're trying to be safe at least a little bit. Turn this down so we can hear. This floor mat's really slipping and sliding around down here. Oh, this is like a school zone or something. They got the speed limit over here. The brakes are so grippy. Being that they're Brembos and like actual brakes, they are so grippy compared. This car, my car feels so much smoother. Like I don't know how to explain it. It's more like a daily driver kind of smooth. This one feels like it's got like power that it wants to like unleash. It's weird. This is fun. This is a fun car. I like I said, I haven't even really been able to like unleash it really yet, so. It's quick. It sounds really, really good too. Like I wanna do the paddles, but I'm gonna wait a minute and see if we can find a good. It just sucks because like all these spots that I'm at are like there's a bunch of cars around and it's kind of like a main road, so. Just like the difference between the V6 and the V8 is crazy. Like it just sounds different. It feels different. It's just overall. I should not own one of these. Holy, this thing is too fun. Just like, I haven't even got on it yet, and it's just, I can just tell. Oh, I want to just like, can't wait to go on the highway and just really get on it. And then this kid's, show this, record this. This kid's running with his off-white jacket on. He even got a car or a bike with his boys all got a bike. That's tough. Well, you got the fake off-white on, dude. That's tough. Buy Lifestyle, don't buy off-white. Lifestyle's way cheaper and it's probably the same quality. That's tough. Here we go. Oh boy! That's 100. That's okay. Traction control turns off. This motherfucker skirts. I'm gonna slow it down so I can do it one more time before I have to get off here. We're not. We only have a quick second on the highway here. Just want to make sure there's no cops. Plus we're on a curb, so traction control is off, and these things are known to slide a little bit. So I don't want to kill myself here. I just get going, and this guy speeds up on me. All right, here we go. I need one! I need one! Mom! Get the checkbook! Get the check! I need dad's money, we're getting... That was like, not super fast, like, because it's not my car, I don't want to go like too crazy in it, but compared to my car, this thing is a blast. I need it, boys! Alright, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys get the Lifestyle merch so that I can upgrade to an SRT for the channel. This thing is... Oh my god. This thing is crazy. That was so fun. All right, so now we're at a little parking lot here, so we can do the classic stand and talk about the car. Now, this car compared to my car is fantastic. So now I can give a first-hand experience of if you guys are looking to buy a Jeep Grand Cherokee and you have the extra money to spend and you want something a little quick, go for the SRT. Now, I wish I would have just put a little bit more down and just went right for the SRT, because now I'm a little bit under in my car, which kind of sucks, and I put a bunch of money into it, but we built the channel, so it's fine. So let's walk around this baby and talk about it. Like I said, it has this little thing going on. It's so much lower than my car. I mean, like these are up here on my car. So it's so much lower on my Jeep compared to this Jeep. It's got the dual exhaust. I don't think it has any aftermarket exhaust done to it. It's pretty much just stock. I'll have my girlfriend give it some revs so that I can get some shots, or have her record or set the camera up or something and give it some revs in track mode or whatever so we can get a better sound out of it and show you guys. We got some beefy tires here on it. I'm not sure what size we're running on these bad boys. Nice Continental tires. We're running a, where are we? Am I blind? I think I'm blind. I see this every single time. I literally can never find what I'm looking for. 295, 45, 20. So they're still 20s, just like my car, but they have the way better wheels. The official, actual red Brembo brakes. where mine are fake on mine. Obviously, they're not like Brembo or like fake Brembos. Silver lugs though, get that out of here. That can go immediately. But you see the red Brembos, which is nice. And then from the front, we got the really nice. Sorry if I'm shaky. It's really cold out. It's literally snowing, so I'm a little shivery today. So hopefully the video is not bad. But we got the nice upgraded headlights, and then you see the grille in the front is almost black, but it's like kind of gray. It could just be from being 2016. And just overall, the front of this car is just absolutely sick nasty. So let me set up the camera, give it some revs, and then I'll go over a little bit more of the interior stuff. So it does have the sunroof up here even. I don't even know how it works. I think it's something with up here. I don't know. I don't want to mess with it. I'm not a sunroof guy. Glasses. Obviously all this is nice. This is actually like a way nicer roof than, oh, we got some more light in here. Probably should have done that from the start for the extra light. But down here we got the launch control, which I didn't do. Didn't really have anywhere to do it. I mean, I probably could have. I guess it was just me not wanting to mess with it really. And then you got custom settings, tow, snow, auto, track, sport. And you just turn the little knob, which mine does not have, which kind of sucks. Over here you can pop it into the sport if you go into drive, and then over to the left, and that'll let you guys use the paddle shifters. Now this bolstered steering wheel is nice. It's so much like grippier. It's not as comfortable. I mean, like up here it's like the same, but down over here it's a little bit more weird, but it's not too bad all in all. There's a lot of leather upgrades in this one. Has a lot of leather everywhere. Memory seats over here. We can go ahead and click this. As you guys know, just like in my Jeep, if you swing around back here, it has the little button so you can drop it and put it down just like that. Over here it has the speakers as the upgraded sound package as well. So like I said, if you guys are in the market and you're looking to get this one, I have checked it out. It has a lot of the good stuff you've seen in the video. It also has floor mats, it looks like it probably comes with, which are the same ones that I always suggest, the Mopar parts, ones that I have in my car. And then over here it even has the little flashlight that my car does not have in the little pocket, which is just a little flashlight that you can pop out. But like I said, it's so much lower than my car, which is so crazy. Like with mine, you have to it's like up to here because it's jacked up a little bit. But this is a nice Jeep. If you guys are looking for it, then you guys can check this one out. We'll go ahead and close this. Swing back inside because it is freezing. All right, guys, so if you guys do want that Jeep, let me take this mask off. If you guys do want that Jeep specifically, or you want another Jeep or anything, if you want a Supra, if you're in the market for a Toyota or just about anything, look at how many cars they got here, guys. They got this place loaded up with cars, plus I'm sure they can find you whatever you want. So that's Bak Toyota South. You can kind of see it there up top. Shout out to them for really hooking me up. Go see my boy Mohammed here. Let's see if I can show you the card. His information will be down below either way. And you guys can go ahead and contact him and he'll hook you guys up with whatever you want. Great guy, great people over here at Bak Toyota South, like I said. So definitely come check them out, and a huge shout out to them for letting me do this. Maybe check out a Supra or something for the channel. I don't know, I can't confirm anything, can't deny anything, but like I said, go ahead and check out my boy Mohammed. If you guys do want it, his information will be down below, and you guys can go ahead and get that SRT if you guys are in the market for one. I'm just gonna grab a thumbnail picture now and then probably head back and drop it back off. But overall, this car is absolutely fantastic, guys. If you guys are looking for it, like I said, go ahead and check out Bak Toyota South right down the street from me here, and you guys could get this car if you guys are in the market for a 2016 SRT. I think it has around 48,000 miles. I think they're asking about 43.9. You guys can go ahead and haggle that one out if you want. But there's the car. It's fantastic. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you click that like button down below. If you guys have an SRT, let me know in the comment section below what you love about it, what you hate about it, those kind of things. And of course, subscribe to stay up to date with future content. New video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. on the channel. Haven't missed an upload in just about, maybe even more than 6 months now. So if you guys could subscribe, that would be great. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.